2025 Ram 1500 gets new Turbo 6 with up to 540 HP. The truck features a refreshed design, 2 new trims and a passenger side window. Today, Ram is introducing the 2025 1500 pickup with some significant changes. The truck has new powertrain options, a refreshed design and a tech-packed cabin with 3 screens. Gone is the truck's 5.7-liter Hemi V8. Ram is replacing it with a new twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six Hurricane that it calls the most powerful Ram engine ever, and it has 2 outputs. The engine features a cast aluminum block, cross-bolted steel main bearing caps, forged steel crankshaft and forged steel connecting rods. Ram's powertrain engineers were able to pump 28 pounds of boost into the engine during development. The straight 6-turbo SST engine standard output is 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque, while its high output setting is 540 horsepower and 521 lb-ft. The 3.6-liter V6 will remain available for 2025, and the 3 engine options will be mated to the automaker's 8-speed automatic transmission. Ram is also introducing the 2025 1500 Ramcharger, a new battery electric truck with an onboard generator. New Ram 1500s equipped with the high-output Hurricane engine will have a new high-torque rear axle with 2- or 4-wheel drive with an open or limited-slip differential. An electronic locking rear differential is also available. Customers will have 3 axle ratios for the new 1500, 3.21, 3.55 and 3.92. The truck has a maximum towing capacity of 11,580 pounds and a payload limit of 2,300 pounds. Ram is also expanding its 2025 lineup with 2 new trims, Tungsten and RHO. Tungsten is a new luxury class, while RHO is an off-road performance pickup that sits above the Rebel. The RHO is said to be the same as the TRX, but packs the 540 horsepower Hurricane engine instead of the 702 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8. Ram is shelving the TRX badge for now, and the automaker will offer more details about the RHO as it gets closer to launch. The new tungsten coating will be at the top of the Ram 1500 series. It has 24-way electric massaging front seats covered in Natura Plus leather. They are also heated and ventilated. Ram uses suede to cover the headliner and A and B pillars, and the center console features a unique tungsten badge indicating the VIN. The hardware includes a 23-speaker Klipsch reference premium audio system. The arrival of the new powertrain range coincides with an updated design inside and out. The Ram's grille is larger and leans forward, there's prominent new Ram badging, premium LED headlights, new taillights, and a sharp new body line on the side. Ram has increased the quality of materials and technology inside. The driver looks at a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with up to a 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment display in the middle. Thanks to the 1500's new 10.25-inch passenger display, the front passenger no longer needs to look out the window. The cabin also features an available head-up display, dual wireless charging and a digital rear-view mirror. Specifications include a power tailgate with obstacle detection and a 4-corner air suspension system with 5 modes, entry/exit, aero, normal, off-road 1 and off-road 2. Trucks equipped with the Hurricane engine can be used via 2 covered outlets in the bed 1 board inverter offering up to 0.8 kilowatts of power. The rest of the 2025 Ram 1500 lineup includes Tradesman, Bighorn/Lone Star, Laramie, Rebel, Limited Longhorn and Limited trims. RHO joins the cast in Q3 2024. Ram REV and new Ramcharger coming in Q4 2024. Ram said it will announce the truck's pricing information closer to its launch date. Production will start in the first quarter of next year. It will be available in 9 color options: diamond black, brilliant white, ivory white tri-ply, Delmonico red, flame red, hydro blue, river rock, Baltic gray and billet silver.